Da, 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 down, down, down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lisa Slays. I know I took a little bit of a break. I just wanted to really get myself together and situated for Christmas. And yeah, we're here after Christmas. I really hope you guys enjoyed your holiday, whatever you guys celebrate, and got everything you guys wished for. So I am so looking forward to the new year. A lot of great things are happening for not only this channel, but also my Instagram and all my social media content that I have in store for you guys. So make sure you guys are following me on all platforms. I'll have it linked down below. And yeah, so for today's video, I will be featuring the new Club Daddy palette from Artist Couture, which is a collaboration with Mac Daddy and Static John. I have not been able to play with this palette other than today's video, as well as when I did a look on Christmas Eve, which I fell in love with the palette. I didn't even know what look to do. I just was playing with random shades. So for today's video, I definitely had a more structured plan, and this is what it came out to be, a nice smoky vibe, which I'm totally feeling, and I really hope you guys are interested. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, so as I mentioned in my intro, today we are using the new Club Daddy palette from Artist Couture, which is a collaboration with Mac Daddy and Static John. I honestly was so looking forward to this palette to come out. They really did hype it up and definitely convinced me in getting this palette. And I honestly only did one look since receiving this palette, and it's literally been waiting for me to play with it for 3 days. Then I did the look on Christmas Eve, and now we are here going to do a whole tutorial on a whole different look. So I hope you guys are interested, and let's just get into the tutorial. So here is the palette right over here. One of my favorite things when it comes to packaging is the holographic cover. Like, you guys can see that glow and obviously the reflection from my ring light. Mac Daddy killing it right there. And we're just gonna open it up. One of my other favorite things is how big this mirror is, like hello. And then the colors, they are astonishing. The color names make me laugh, and I just think it fits with Mac Daddy's personality and also with his friendship with Static John. So I think it is amazing. So the first thing we're gonna go in with is the shade Shot. I'm just gonna take my fluff brush from Moda Pro, just dip in it lightly, and just use this on my outer V. I'm now going to buff in that shade just a little bit, soften it up a little bit, and we're going to take the shade Bottle Service, which is a dark mauve tone. Now I'm taking this fluff brush, it's a clean fluff brush, and I'm just going to blend these shades perfectly together so everything looks nice and seamless. Now we're going to add in some color to this look, and I'm going to be taking the shade Live, which is that beautiful, beautiful deep blue color. I'm also going to go back in with that first fluff brush that we used. I'm going to dip into Shots and Bottle Service and just go over what we did in the beginning. You got to keep it in my tempo. Write it up. Don't stop. Now I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Period, and I'm just going to apply it alongside the shade Live. Body is a tempo. Wow. Wow, do you guys see how heavy and beautiful that shimmer shade is? Like, holy cow. And it applied beautifully. Like, I'm amazed. This is amazing. Body is a tempo. Now I'm going to take the black shade Big Mike, and we're just going to apply that on the outer V.
Smoke it, pass it, puff it, hit it, hold it, push it, break it down for me, come in, smoke.
To finish off the lid look, I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. This is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. And I'm just going to go in with the shade VIP, which is the first shade. Beautiful white crystal-like shade. So we're going to put this on my inner corner and then bring it into that empty space that we have on my lid.
Pound with me, crush it, roll it, light it, smoke it, pass it, puff it, hit it, hold it, fish it, break it, down for me, come.
Now I'm going to apply some liquid liner, and we are going to be using the Infallible liquid liner from L'Oreal. This is one of my favorite liquid liners out there.
Smoke it, pound with me.
Now I'm going to do my mascara off camera. This is going to be my 3-step mascara process that I've been doing for a while now. If you guys haven't checked that out, make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram. I posted an IGTV on it, which is a little quick video on how I do it. So again, make sure you guys check it out and make sure you guys are following me while you're at it. So I'm going to do my mascara process off camera. I'll do my face makeup off camera as well. And then I'll be back so we can do the lips together. Alright guys, so I just did my mascara off camera and I did my face makeup off camera like I said I would. So if you guys want more details on my face makeup, you guys can check out one of my videos that I did a few weeks back. So make sure you guys check that out. It's a more in-depth video for my foundation routine. I also want to do an updated one just because I'm using slightly different products, so I want to let you guys in on that. But moving forward, I want to work on my lower lash line. We're going to stick with the Club Daddy palettes, and I just want to kind of repeat what we did on the top of my lid and kind of bring it down on the bottom. So let's get started. So to start, I'm going to take this smudger brush from Moda Pro, and we're going to take the black shade, which is called Big Mike, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm also going to take my finger just to smudge it out a little bit, just so it looks a little more blended as opposed to a line underneath my waterline. I love the smoky effect. It's honestly one of my favorite parts of this look. Now I'm going to fill in the empty space, which is on my waterline, and I'm going to apply black pencil liner right here, and I'm just going to apply like so. To complete the eye makeup, I'm going to take the Kush mascara. This is from Milk Makeup, and I actually received this as a gift for my birthday from Sephora. So we're just going to apply this on my lower lashes. And that is the eye look, nice and completed. But now we're going to move on to lips just to complete the entire look. I want to go for a nice nude lip. So we're going to go with my NYX lip liner. This is in the shade Nutmeg. I'm just going to line my lips.
한대 피고 사는 거 저런 거 다
Now I'm going to take the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal. I love the satin feel from this. Apply it like so.
잊어버리자. 같이 놀자.
Crush it, roll it, light it, smoke it, pass it, puff it, hit it, hold it, fish it, break it, down for me, come in, smoke it, pound with me. Crush it, roll it, light it, smoke it, pass it.
Okay guys, that concludes today's video. A nice smoky eye makeup look using the new Club Daddy palette from Artist Couture, which is a collaboration with Mac Daddy and Static John. I really do love the quality of every single shade, the palette itself. I love all the names of each shade, and this is like honestly a party look. So I'm going to continue using this palette until New Year's. That way you guys can really get a feel, especially for those of you who just received the palette like I did. So we're going to be creating fun looks using this palette moving moving forward. And I really hope you guys are interested in that. Stay tuned for more videos moving forward. I am going to be continuing my schedule with Sunday and Thursdays as of right now. Also, I want to mention, if you guys are not yet following me on my Instagram, please do so. I post daily makeup looks as well as lifestyle and fashion related content. I'm going to be expanding my content on Instagram as well shortly, and I also recently started a Tuesday tutorials segment on my IG stories. So every single Saturday or Sunday I do a poll on my stories where I ask my followers to kind of pick and choose and help me create a look for my Tuesday tutorials, and I show you a quick tutorial based on the results and the overall look at the end of it all. So I really hope you guys are interested in following me. Make sure you do. Linked in the description below as well. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys did like it, then please give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel or not yet subscribed, then please subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.